from IT Roorkee, and we will be continuing discussing our top interview 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And our today's question is construct tree from Inorder and Postorder Traversal. So let's go to this question, see what it states. So this question states that given two integer arrays Inorder and Postorder, where Inorder is the Inorder traversal of binary tree and Postorder is the Postorder traversal of the same tree, construct and return the binary tree. Example number 1 is this. So we are given this Inorder traversal of the binary tree 9, 3, 15, 27, and Postorder is given as 9, 15, 7, 23, and we have to construct a tree which will have Inorder traversal as this and Postorder traversal as this. In Inorder traversal, first we have left subtree, then value, then right subtree. And similarly in Postorder we have first left subtree, then right subtree, then the value. So for this tree, if we see what is the Inorder, so for Inorder first the left subtree will come, then value, then right. So for this first left will come, so 9 will come here, so 9 is appearing here. Now left tree is exhausted, so the value would appear, so 3 would appear here. Now we'll go to the right subtree, but for this first it will execute its left subtree, so 15 will come here, and then like left subtree is executed, so this 20 will come here, and then right subtree, then 7 would come here. So this is the correct Inorder traversal of this tree. And if we see the post order, in post order first the left value comes, then right value, and then the value, current value. So for this first left value will come, so 9 will come, so 9 is appearing here. Then we will come on to this side, then first left will appear for this node, so first left is appearing, then right will appear, so right is appearing, then this value will appear, so value is appearing. Now for this node both left and right are exhausted, so this value will appear now, so this is appearing now. So we can see that this is the correct tree which has Inorder traversal as this and Postorder traversal as this. And Inorder dot length is given as 1 to 3000, so this length can go from 1 to 3000. Postorder dot length is equals to Inorder dot length. Both of these arrays would have equal lengths, and Inorder I and Postorder I values can go from minus 3000 to 3000. These values can go from minus 3000 to 3000, and Inorder and Postorder consists of unique values. Both of these arrays would have unique values. Each value of Postorder also appears in Inorder. Obviously, like these are just the traversal of a tree, so each value in the Postorder should appear in the Inorder array also. And Inorder is guaranteed to be the Inorder traversal of the tree. So this is showing that Inorder which is given to us is a correct Inorder traversal, and Postorder is guaranteed to be the Postorder traversal of the tree. So this Postorder array is also a valid Postorder array given to us. So this is the question, and I hope you have understood the question. And in order to solve it, what we are going to do is for this Inorder array, we will define a map and we will store the mapping of these values to the index. So 9 will have a mapping of 9 will be stored as key and it will have value of 0 in the map. Then 3 will be stored as key, then it will have 1 as the value. So in this way we'll construct a map, and then we will define one helper function, and in that helper function we will pass down the map, and we will pass down the Inorder and Postorder array as well, like starting index and ending index of this Inorder and starting index and ending index of this Postorder. And we can see that for root, in order to determine root, first of all we should go to the ending part of Postorder, because root will always be present at the ending part of Postorder. So we will construct a new tree node and we will assign the value 3 to this. And now we need to find out how many elements are there on the left side of this tree and how many elements are there on the right side. That we can find out using this Inorder traversal. So using our map we will find out what is the index of this 3. So index will come out to be 1. So this shows that one element is present on the left of this, so one element is present in the left subtree, and 3 elements are present to the right of this, so 3 elements are present in the right subtree. And so for this 3 left we will pass down one element from the starting, and for 3 right we will pass down 3 elements from the start from this. And in order for the Inorder we will pass down from the starting of the Inorder to the index -1, index of 3 - 1. and for 3 right we will pass down index plus 1 and end of Inorder traversal. So let's go to this question, this code, and then we will better able to understand. So this is the definition which is given to us struct tree node, and its value, it has int value, tree node star left, tree node star right, and it has some constructors as well. And we have to implement this function build tree node star build tree. We are given inorder array and postorder array, and we are defining int n as inorder dot size. Then we are defining one map m, and we are inserting the all the values of inorder into the map, and then we are passing this inorder, and then starting index of inorder, ending index of inorder, then post order, then starting index of post order and ending index of post order, and then we are also passing down the this map. And then inside this helper function, first of all we will check if this left index is greater than the right index, then we will return null. And for post also, this left index is greater than right index, then we will return null. So in this we are importing these parameters: in order array, in order left, in order right, post order array, post order left and post order right, and then we are also like taking out this map, and then we are defining this tree node star root is equal to new tree node, and we will assign the value from the post order last index. So last index would be post r, and then we are finding out what is the index of this value from our map, so that we will calculate, and then we'll pass down the root dot left. So root dot left would be in helper function we'll pass down in order, and for this left index would remain same and right index would become int -1. Similarly for post order we'll pass down left index would remain same postel, and right index would become postel plus int minus inl -1, and then we are passing down this m. Same thing will go for root dot right. We'll pass down this helper function, and in order int +1 would be the left part, and in right would be the right part. And for post order we'll pass down this postel plus int minus in inl, and for right part we'll pass down postar -1, and then we'll pass down this map also, and then we will finally return this root, and then we are returning this helper function. So let's try to run this code and see whether it's working fine. So this is getting accepted here. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, this code is working fine. So I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and program description in the description of the video. So like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such top into 150 Caesar questions or Leetcode.